The Dacia Duster 2025 continues to impress budget-conscious SUV lovers, and its approach to refills, whether fuel, AdBlue, or service fluids, reflects its practical and no-nonsense philosophy. Dacia has made notable improvements in reducing the hassle and cost associated with keeping the vehicle running smoothly. The petrol and diesel variants of the Duster 2025 maintain good fuel economy figures. In real-world usage, the petrol models average around 6.5 to 7.2 liters per 100 kilometers, while the diesel versions can dip as low as 5.0 liters per 100 kilometers under optimal conditions. These numbers make the Duster one of the most efficient vehicles in its class. Refueling the Duster remains simple and user-friendly. The fuel cap is easy to open, and the tank itself has a wide enough mouth to prevent spills, especially when refilling in a hurry. Some trims now come with capless fueling, which adds a touch of modern convenience to the process. AdBlue refilling for diesel models is straightforward. The refill point is conveniently located next to the diesel filler cap, avoiding the awkward positioning found in some competitors. Most users will only need to top up AdBlue every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers, keeping maintenance minimal. One welcome change in 2025 is the clear dashboard alerts regarding fluid levels. The new digital display provides more accurate and timely notifications for fuel, AdBlue, engine oil, and even windshield washer fluid, ensuring drivers are always informed before any fluid runs low. The oil refill process has also been made easier. The engine bay layout offers better accessibility, especially for DIY owners who prefer to handle minor maintenance themselves. The dipstick is clearly marked, and the oil cap is positioned for easy reach, with no need to remove covers or struggle for space. Coolant and brake fluid refills follow the same theme of accessibility. Dacia has designed these reservoirs with wide openings and clear markings. Users can easily check levels and top up as needed without the fear of overfilling or using the wrong fluid. One area where the Duster excels is in its low maintenance cost. The refill intervals for most fluids are spaced out smartly, and the SUV doesn't demand frequent servicing. This is ideal for owners in rural or semi-urban areas where service centers may be far apart. Dacia has also introduced eco-driving features that subtly encourage fuel-saving behavior. Real-time feedback on driving style, gear shift indicators, and efficient cruise control tuning all contribute to extending time between refills. These features don't intrude, but they do help conserve fuel. The LPG version of the Duster also deserves mention. It features a dual fuel system, and the LPG tank is neatly integrated in place of the spare wheel. Refilling LPG is just as easy, though availability depends on regional infrastructure. The transition between petrol and LPG is seamless and automatic. Overall, the Duster 2025 provides one of the easiest refill and maintenance experiences in its segment. Whether it's your daily commute or long countryside drives, the vehicle offers peace of mind with low running costs and minimal upkeep hassle. For buyers looking for an SUV that doesn't nickel and dime them with constant fluid top-ups or complicated maintenance, the Dacia Duster 2025 remains a smart and efficient choice. Its approach to refills combines simplicity, reliability, and thoughtful engineering.